Alright, so another E36 video. As you can see, I have a new set of wheels on it. These are Tire Rack C2s, 17 by 8.5 ET40s, and I have a 245 with Bridgestone Rival S on there. The issue with this is that even though they're narrower than what I used to run, they don't fit. So if you look up here, it might be a little bit blurry, but there's probably like a millimeter or zero clearance, and once this starts compressing, especially back here, I won't be able to see anything. So that's not good. If you can take a look at this side, this is a 17 by 9 ET45 Cosi K8R, I believe it is. And there's like 4 or 5 millimeters of room on this side. There's no damage to the bodywork on either side. It used to be even, so I know that it is just a tire or a wheel design issue. Anyways, we're gonna put you on a time lapse and try and get you to fit better. I'm using a bunch of magazines and the phone book method, just to hopefully see if it works out. Alright, so taking a look in there, I got maybe 2-3 millimeters in, and I'm hoping because of camber gain under compression, I'm good to go with no rubbing. It took me a phone book and 2 magazines worth of stuff, and yeah, it took me about 20 minutes on this side. So I'm going to take it for a drive, and then if it's all good, we're gonna do the other side. But even still, I mean, because it's a double wall type of thing, it doesn't even look pulled. So I think I'm good. I'm really hoping it's not just my mind playing games on me now that I see clearance. And yeah, and I'm pretty sure it's settled in because I did bounce on it a couple times, and the parking brake is not up. Alright, well, there you go. DIY rolling fenders on a E36. Thanks for watching.